I'm professional organizer Amanda Leblanc here today to talk to you about organizing your closet. Here are those longer necklaces and pieces I probably don't wear as much, but again, I'm a visual person. I want to be able to see them. I didn't have the storage space within the closet, but I had a little bit of odd wall space left. So quick and easy crafty item. I'm not crafty, but I crafted this. Just got a small cork board. You can even get larger sheets of cork board and cut them to the size that you want them. And then I just put a little bit of batting, wrapped fabric around it, staple gunned it to the back. I think I might be able to take one off and show you. Okay, so you can see it's not the most beautiful thing in the back, but you just wrap that fabric around it, and then I got a little hanging hook to put on the back and just hang it right on the wall. So easy, such a quick thing to do, really adds, I think, like just a little bit of an artsy element to the closet space and allows you to see what you have. Tons of clients of mine bring this into their closet and find that they just love it. And we just use, you can use different types of pins. I find that T-pins probably are the best at holding the weight of different necklaces and keeping them organized for you. For more tips on how to get organized, visit organizedliving.com.